Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find archived text messages on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, of course, the first thing you're going to do is just open up the Messages or Google Messages app. Now, let's say you accidentally archived a text message or a group chat by pressing and holding on it and tapping on that little down arrow. You can see one conversation archived. If you're really quick, you can tap on the undo button just to get it back if you accidentally did that. However, if you didn't basically do it quickly, you can always find your archived messages by tapping on the little profile icon at the very top right there. Now, from here, you can see more from this app, and there is archived. Just tap on that, and you can see all of your archived conversations. To get any of these back, all you need to do is press and hold on the message, and you can see it selects one, or you can select multiple different ones. And now the little arrow up at the top right, if you tap on that, you can see it unarchives them. And if I go back out of here, these are my normal text messages, including the ones that I've unarchived or removed from the archive. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.